This is Frida. Welcome back to part 3, how to crochet the popcorn star motif. And this is how it looks like so far that we have been crocheting. And just wanted to show it's coming. And this is where we are. Okay, so I grabbed this. I felt this color was dark. Maybe the sun. Just comment which you liked, how to show the tutorial. But this is how it looks like, and it's the same length. So just wanted to point, this is nice to crochet as well, but I would prefer to do with my merino wool because it's very soft and very light. And this is like the 4th motif that I've been working on. So I am continuing on where we are. We're at 1, 2, 3, 4 row on. So we have to go 3 more, well 4 more after we do this one. That would be 3 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. We go on top of each other. And to do the popcorn, we did the 3 chain to go up. And then this is how we do the popcorn. And after the popcorn, I do my double crochet just like this, and I do another double crochet, and I do another double crochet, so 3. I do another double crochet, 4, and I do my 5th on between, and then I do my popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after the popcorn I do 1 double crochet, and I do my 5 chain to create the 3, 4, 5, create the corner, and I do my double crochet, popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I go to the 5th, the 1st double crochet, and I create the popcorn, and I do my 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet, and I do a 2nd double crochet on top of the popcorn, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and double crochet 5. So the double crochets are going to increase every row we go up to the last one here. So that's how we're going to increase 2, 4, and then we do our double crochet, popcorn stitch on top of the popcorn, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're making this part here, this part 5. We're here at the moment, this, and then we're going to do our, just do my popcorn, and then on top of the double crochet we do our double crochet, and then we chain 2, and then go on top of the double crochet, 1, 2, to create those cages that I've been saying. I call them cages. Then double crochet on top of the double crochet and popcorn. So we repeat what we did here all the way around, and I'll meet you back here, and then we will follow the next row, and we will be increasing the double crochets here from 5 to 7 on the next row. So I'll meet you back here. Okay, so I have finished this row, and I will be joining with a slip stitch, and where we did the 3 chains to go up, I just poke it here and I pull it just like this. And I forgot to, I only grabbed 1 strand of my yarn. Okay, yeah, it happens when you're taping, right? Okay, grab it again, and then chain 3 to go up, 2, 3, and then continue making your double crochet on top of the double crochet. And we're right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're doing the 6. So we're going to do our double crochet, total of 7, and then popcorn, and then we're just repeating the same all the way around. We're just increasing here to, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're right there. Let me just move this so you won't get distracted, and I will show you how to do. It's just one we increase here, right? That's how we increase. So we just do our our 5 double crochets to create the 4, 5 popcorn stitch. Here we grab it here, and then we do our double crochet on top of the double crochets all the way to the end. Lots of double crocheting for this lovely motif, but think about the end result. Can't wait to see the finish look on this lovely motif. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, 7, and then we do our popcorn stitch, and we just repeat what we did on the previous row, and we did our increase. So I will let you continue. Nothing different. We just do our increases as I showed. I'm going to let you crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 7th, after finishing the 7th row, on the 8th row, I will meet you up here. This way we can do a little bit of work here, right? Yeah. And on the 8th, when we finish the 7th, when we're doing the 8th, we do the double crochet where the double crochet, well, we do the chain actually. We do the chain, and then I will meet you up here on the 8th. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the 8th I'll meet you back here. And then our star is becoming, as you can see, okay. So I have done my rows 2, 4, 6, 7, and on the 8th row what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 2 because we're increasing this part, and I'm going to go right on top of that double crochet, and on the following double crochet I am going to make a popcorn stitch. So we're moving our popcorns towards the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then automatically I'm going to make double crochets. Okay, so I just want to show you where we are at the moment. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so we are here. We are right here. We are moving our double crochets here, and then we are going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to make 7 rows of popcorn on top of each other. So this way we're moving, we're creating the star, the edge of the star here. Okay, and then we're going to continue making our popcorns where we have left it, but we are increasing this part. We're making more cages. Okay, and then I'll just come back and continue showing you to do our double crochets. Just like this. Double crochet on top, and then I did my double crochet, and I am going to do my popcorn on top of the popcorn. This is where the popcorn is, so I'm going to make 5 double crochets on that. 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to make my double crochet on top of the double crochet. Okay, so we're going to chain 2. I am making this part as I showed. So I chain 2, as you can see here, and then I'm going to make a double crochet, chain 5, double crochet, chain 2, and then make the double crochet on top of the double crochet. Okay, I hope you can understand. I wanted to. Okay, so I did my double crochet, and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the corner that we're increasing, and then I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to go straight on top of that double crochet, and then I'm going to make my popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And grab it, and I'm going to continue making my double crochets on top of each. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm going to make my double crochet because my popcorn stitch. So this is going to be going slanting towards the right, as this was slanting towards the left. Okay, so it's going to be 5 double crochets to create the popcorn stitch. 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Go to the first, grab it, and then make your double crochet, and then make 2 chain, and then go where the double crochet is, 2 chain, 2 chain, double crochet. Okay, so I have finished this row that we started. So now we're going to start the second row. As I said, we're going up, so this is going to be the second row. Okay, to do that, we're gonna do a slip stitch just like this, chain 5. We're gonna chain, so 3 would be double crochet, and the 2 chain would be to create that like this. This is how it would look like. And then we're going to chain 2 again and go where the double crochet is. Let me move this so you won't get distracted. And next we're going to do a popcorn stitch. 3, 4, 5, just like this. Grab it from the first double crochet, and then I'm going to do my double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Remember on the previous row it was 9. Now we're going down to 7 because of this we're increasing our cages here, and we are decreasing the double crochets. Okay, so I'm going to make a popcorn stitch on top of the popcorn. 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 2, do a double crochet on top of the double crochet, okay, chain 2, go in the 5 chain, and then chain 5.